What up, guys? In today's video we're gonna go into my monthly recap. As you guys know, every month I try to bring you guys kind of like my overall performance for the month. In this case, I'm gonna go over my results for the month of August, considering that today is August 30th. It's already Saturday, so on Monday it's gonna be a new month. So let's just dive into it. First of all, it was a very slow month. And by the way, before I forget, sorry for being a little bit inactive this last couple of days. I'm currently in Europe, just on vacation, so I'm trying my best to bring you guys the most transparent and legit content and like keep posting as much as I can. If you guys want to see more content and be a little bit more updated with my current process and my performance and my trading journey, just follow me on Instagram, which is where I'm posting most of my content right now. But let's just dive into this real quick so you guys can see how I did on August. So it was a very slow month, to be honest. We finished the month, or we closed the month in 1 hour in profit, which is not bad. We came from a very slow month as well in July, which with the -1 hour, but we finished August in 1 hour in profit, and we're currently up 18 hour for the year with a 30.3% win rate and a realized percentage gain of 17.5%. Around that, because of course we need to consider that sometimes we get positive swaps, negative swaps, or overall commissions, but this is more kind of like a raw trading journal where I just measured everything based on our returns. But if we dive into my journal input, you guys know that I journal every single thing here. I logged every single trade, putting everything, all my information with the links to the trades, which, by the way, if you guys want to get this trading journal, make sure to just check the link in the bio and you can grab yours today. And let's see my monthly recap. So as I said, 1 hour in profit for the month of August. This is not May, this is actually August. And we finished with 15 trades. So as I said, it was a very slow month, not the most active month overall, not too many opportunities, or actually the opportunities that were like built for us, priced or maybe missed our entry for a couple of pips. Or for example, CAT JPY, which was the last trade you guys are going to see in a second. Price was very close to hit our TP, and then it reversed back and stopped us out on break even. But let's actually open a couple of links here. I'm not going to open every single one of the links, but I just want to show you guys a couple of the trades I took, because I don't want to make this video very long. And also I'm right now like in a balcony, so there's a lot of noise, so I don't want to just make a very like horrible sound and quality video. So this was the first trade for the month. GBP JPY, solid short position. Then this loss on Euro AUD. This was not the best entry, to be honest. It was better to just take this because this was the actual high of the overall range, but it's all good. Then this break even on USD JPY. Then this take profit on AUD JPY. This was my most recent take profit, if you guys actually can see it here. Look at this, AUD JPY, a take profit. And finally, this was the most frustrating trade, of course, for the overall month. This was the CAT JPY short position. We targeted here, literally no drawdown at all. Price came super close to my take profit, but unfortunately we didn't get filled for my take profit, didn't reach my final 1, 2, 3 risk reward, and then price reversed and stopped us out on break even. So from almost getting a 3R and finishing the month in +4R, we finished the month in +1R, because unfortunately this reversed back and stopped us out of break even, as I said before. So those were kind of like some of the trades I took this month. And I wanted also to show you guys how I'm doing with my profit challenges, because as I said, and you guys already know, if you guys follow my journey for a long time, I always want and try my best to keep everything super transparent and legit as possible. Let me actually see if I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. So what I want to show you guys is how I'm doing with my challenges. So my challenges right now, I have kind of like I'm going or pursuing with 2 prop firms. The first one, Blueberry funded, which is actually the one I'm pursuing and pushing as much as I can to get funded, because I really like this prop firm. Which, by the way, if you guys want to get a prop firm challenge with Blueberry funded, I'm currently partnered with them, and they gave me an exclusive discount that you can use to get a 20% off on every single one of the challenges. You just click here, you create an account. You can actually create an account with the link in the bio of this video. You just go here, you can select whatever account you want, let's say 200k, MT5, a two-step, and then apply coupons. You just need to write Rosal Trading. You click and apply, and you're gonna get a 20%, like I said, on every single account out there. So instead of buying full price, just use my discount code and you'll get a 20% off, and at the same time you're helping me as well and supporting my content. But moving on, I currently have 3 accounts with them, 2 50k accounts. I have 2 which are in profit right now. It's a little bit in profit, not too much, but profit is profit, so it's all good. And I have 2 trades running in this ones, as well as this account, which is also a 50k account, but unfortunately this one is a little bit in drawdown. I trade this one differently to this one. I don't trade this account with my swing trading approach. So with this one, I don't trade it that same way. I usually trade gold on this 50k account. I trade this account a little bit more aggressive with a higher risk reward or higher RR trades. And in general terms, I don't take the same trades on these 2 accounts and then on this account. I'm also adding a 100k account very soon. I'll post that on my Instagram whenever I get it. And yeah, I'm trying to stack as many challenges as I can, taking all the trades on all my accounts. So in this 50k account and in this 50k account, and very soon on the 100k account, I'm going to take the same trades and try to pass them all, trading of course with my swing trading approach. While on this one, I'm going to be more risky. I'm going to risk a little bit more, and I'm going to take different setups and different trades, mostly trading gold. And then I have 2 accounts on FTMO. So I currently have 2 trades running. They are also running in these 2 accounts, but in this one's, it's the first one, this one here. It's a 50k account. It's a challenge, as you guys can see. And it's right now in minus $242 in today's profit, right? Because I have a trade running, but we have it at 48,824. So it's, if I'm not wrong, it's like in minus 3% in drawdown. So it's all good. Like I said, I'm keeping trading everything super consistently, and we'll see if we're able to pass this 50k as well as passing this 50ks as well. Like I said, and if we go back to my data, these last 2 months have been rough. So the fact that I've been able to stay true to my system and also not blown this account, so this 50k account as well as this 50k accounts, and the fact that I still have them on me, of course not passed yet but not blown yet, it's something that I'm happy, and it's something that is super important, because no matter, or the fact that the markets are slow and my strategy is not performing very good this last couple of months, I'm still able to stay with these accounts without blowing them, and it's something, of course, very, very nice to have. Because imagine if I will be changing everything, or if I will be, I don't know, trading wrong or changing my strategy every single time, maybe I would have blown these accounts, but I still have them, so it's good. But they're in drawdown, this is in drawdown, and also my funded account, it's in a deep drawdown, because I have this, of course, for a long time, and I come from a minus 3. In June, I changed something. If you guys watch my videos, you can actually just check those videos and you'll understand why I'm so down in this funded account. And I also took the same trade, so it's a little bit in, like, I have a negative trade running right now, which I'm going to show you in a second, and it's in 9,262, so it's in around minus 8% in drawdown. It was almost like minus 9.2% to get blown. I was like in a minus 9.2% drawdown, but now I'm minus 8%. So we're coming back, and let's hope we can do it actually, and we can just actually come back to a break-even stage. So those are kind of like my challenges right now in my Profirm funded accounts. And if we go back, before I forget, this is the trade I have at the moment. It's a long position, a big range. As I said before, I'm trading a little bit more conservative, taking less trades. And yeah, that's basically the trade. Break of structure, a lot of fair value gaps from the movement, liquidity sweep, everything in place. I'm just waiting for price to reach my 101 to be able to move my stop loss to break even and make this trade risk free. So this is the only trade I have running. And yeah, I have a couple of trades that might present themselves next week. So I'm going to do my market analysis later on Sunday. And yeah, that's basically the video for this opportunity. This was the monthly recap for August, guys, and like always, keeping everything full transparent. My main purpose right now is to get funded with a lot of challenges. That's why I'm trading everything the same way and being more patient. I decrease my risk. Instead of risking 2%, now I'm risking 1% per trade and taking all the trades in all the accounts. And I'm just pursuing as a minimum 50k accounts. So that's why I have 50k, 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 and another 50k. And now I'm adding 100k in Blueberry Funded so that I can actually start scaling a lot. Only getting higher accounts, not anything like a 10k account, no 25k accounts, just a minimum of 50k accounts from now on. And just, as I said, trading super true to my system, super consistent, and hopefully getting funded and getting and reaching my objective for 2025, which was 200k in funding. So if you guys want to just join me in this process, make sure to let me know in the description and the comments of this video if you guys want to keep seeing these videos. If you guys want or have any other ideas of any other videos, just let me know. And I always appreciate a like, because that's how I and you guys kind of support my channel. So that was all for this video, guys. Like I said, if you guys want this journal, just grab it in the link in the bio. And if you guys want to get an account with Blueberry Funded, just use my discount code instead of buying full price. That was all for this video, guys, and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.